When Dr. Ghebreyesus of the WHO declared that the COVID-19 public health emergency could be considered a pandemic a year ago, there were 118,000 cases in 114 countries and 4,291 lives had been lost. Today, we've had 118 million cases. More than 2.5 million lives have been lost. And the pandemic is as global can be. Vaccines are an important way of stopping the pandemic in its tracks. But just as the COVID-19 pandemic itself both revealed and sharpened inequalities between and within countries, the current regimen of distribution and administration of vaccine doses shows that the corporations and rich countries are putting profit before people and wealth before health. This is immoral as well as politically and economically criminal. About 115 billion US dollars in public funds have gone into the development of these vaccines, as well as know-how from public institutions. Yet, Pfizer and BioNTech alone stand to gain not less than 13 billion US dollars from this vaccine. This has to stop. This is part of why we are calling for joining the call for a waiver of intellectual property rights. That is just a part of it, because even with the waiver of IP rights, there will still be countries that would need solidarity to ensure that vaccines are available to everybody everywhere at no cost. This can be easily done, including with tax justice. There are companies, particularly those providing digital services, that have made billions in this period. We should tax the rich. What we see with the undermining of vaccine equity is part of what has been the case the past 3 decades of neoliberal globalization, where the spirit of 45 is being whittled, where continually public services are being undermined, where people's health are not considered as primary. We need to fight back to build a better world. We need a radical new economy. We need a radical new approach to ensuring that people come before profits. And that is part of why PSI stands solidly with the People's Vaccine Alliance as a part of the alliance, as well as for struggle to change the current situation, just as our forebears fought to win the spirit of 45. Amandla Awetu.